What's going on everyone, my name is Tom and welcome to the Dreadlabs channel. Dreadlabs is a creative hub where you can learn about graphic design, music, fashion and art. On this channel I upload tutorials, podcasts, resource videos, live music and much more. If you ever wanted to become a better designer, a better musician, or you wanted to learn more about creativity in general, then this is the channel for you. I've always been into creative practices in general. I've been producing music for over 10 years, I've been a graphic designer for over 7 years, and in my free time I like to do DIY fashion and work on clothing and merchandise. And basically I want to share this passion with you. At the time of recording this video, I have over 60 tutorials in software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Cinema 4D, Procreate and much more. On Fridays I usually do a live stream as well where you can see my full unedited creative process. And work in FL Studio where you can learn more about making music. And of course, there's always a mindset in being creative. That's why I also have a podcast where me and my guests try to teach you all about a creative mindset. Learn how to cope with burnouts, know where to find inspiration, and learn how to make friends in real life with the same creative passions as you. Besides my YouTube channel, I also have a website where you can find creative assets for your next project. A Discord server where you can make friends with over 1200 creatives, and there's also an Instagram page where I have daily content for you guys. Does this sound like something you've been looking for? Then consider subscribing and turning on notifications and you'll never miss a video.